Now, before going to the square numbers up to 125, I am just splitting up the numbers from 1 to 50. That is from 25, right? You all know up to 25. So less than 50, above 50, less than 100, above 100. So I'm going to split it up into 4 divisions. One is, you all know, up to 25. So from 25 to 50, again 50 to 75, 75 to 100, 100 to 125. So 1 2 3 4 divisions I am going to make. That is, from 25 to 50 means you will get from 26 to 50. Here 75 to 50 means from 74, 50 to 74. This, so first one will get, first part is from 25 to 50, and your second part is from 74 to 50, and the third part will be from 76 to 100, and the last part will be from 100 to 124. That is your fourth session. So I'm dividing into 4 parts. So first part we will do less than 50. So below this 50 I'm doing it now till 25, all know. So from 26 I'm going to do. Say above 50 means here from 50 to 75 I'm going to make it. Again 75 to 100 I'm going to make it another session. So third and fourth we will do it in the next chart. So first we will do the less than 50, greater than 50 till 75 we are going to do. So what is the procedure? So first, you know, the square numbers up to 25 you must know thoroughly, then only we can do these types of sums. Okay, what is the answer? Can you tell me what is the square numbers? 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square, that is 100. Okay, again 11 square, you know, 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225. Again from 16 to 25, that is what a little bit concentration you have to do. The nearest places, if you know, you can fill it up. See, 25 square we have told already. 5 square is 25. The next, for 5 means multiply the next number here. 2 into 3, 625. So before number you can add up and subtract this addition and do it. 625 minus this addition 49. Okay, that will give you 576. That will give you 576. Same way for 20 also I have told, that is 400. Before and after you can do it. Before means you will subtract the total. 400 minus this 19 and 20. What is 400 minus 39? 400 minus 39. Okay, 400 minus 39, it will give you 361. Same way this one, 400 plus this total 20 plus 21, that is 441. So 22 square next to that will be 484. The next to 23 square you should know, that is 529. Same way 16 square is 256. 17 square, what is 17 square? 289. 18 square is 324. At least till 25 you should be thorough, then only you can do the remaining sums. So it will be easier to calculate these types of calculations. Now 44 square, just I am going to do the half of this 50. What it is half of 50? That is 25. Half of 50 is 25. Okay, I'm going to do the difference, subtract the difference for this numbers. So I'm choosing here 44 square. Now how much difference is from 50? 44 and 50, how much difference? That is 6 times it is difference. How much times is difference? 44, that is 6 times. So how much times it is? 6 times is difference. Just square that number. 6 square, what is 6 square? 36. You write it, 2-digit number, right? 36. And this difference you have to subtract here. 25 minus 6, what will give 25 minus 6? That is 19. That will give you the answer. So 1936 will give you the answer. Can you do it for the remaining? Same like that. 46 square. First check it out. How much difference is from 50? 46 is 4 times lesser. So 4 is the difference. So that 4 you just square and write it in this 2-digit column. 4 square is 16. This 4 is how much times is subtract here. Subtract the difference 25 minus 4, that will give you 21. Okay, that is 2116 is the answer for 46 square. Can you continually do it at the remaining? 48 square, how much difference? 2 difference. From this 50, difference is 2. So 2 square, no, that is 4. Now this 25 minus 2, how much it is? 23. So 2304. Same way 47 square, how much difference? That is 3 times, right? 3 square, that is 9. Now subtract this 25 and 3, 22. 2209 is your 47 square. Same way 39 square, what is 39 square? How much difference here? 50 and 39 subtract, you will get 11. How much you will get? 11 times it is difference. So 25, you first subtract here 11. 11 square, if you square here, you will get 3-digit number. What is 11 square? Here you have 11 square is 121. So in this 121, write only 2 digits here, 1 in the carryover. 3rd digit you carry over. So for after here subtraction, for the previous digits subtraction 25 and that 11, what you will get? 14. This add this carry number, that will give you 15. 1521, that is your answer for 39 square. What is 37 square? How much is different? 13 is difference. So what you will do if you square the 13? That is 169. 169, you write 69 alone and 1 carry over. Now 25 minus 13, what it is? 12. 12 add to this 1369, that will give the answer. Now what is 34 square? How much difference from 50? 16. Okay, 16 square you do it, that is 256, right? 56 here, 2 in the carry number. Now 25 minus 16. Now subtract this 25 minus 16, you get 9. Okay, 9 remaining, add this carry number 9 plus 2, 11. 1156 is your answer. Same like that 31 square. How much is difference from 50? That is 19. 19 times it is difference. So subtract here 19. Okay, what is that 19 square? Just now we saw here 19 square, where it is here? 19 square is 361, right? 61, 3 in the carryover. Now what is 25 minus 19? Okay, 25 minus 19, that is 6. 6 added to this 3. 6 plus 3, that is 9. 961 is the answer. So 961 is the answer for this 31 square. Now 29 square, how much is difference from 50? That is 21 times. So 21, if you square the 21, here you have 21 square, 441. 41 you write 4 in the carryover number. Okay, then how much is difference here? 25 minus 21, that is 4. Okay, 4 plus 4, that will give you 8. So 841 is your 29 square. So your answer is 841 for 29 square. Same way 26 square, can you do it? How much is difference from 50? That is 24 times. What is 24 square? That you have to write. 24 square is 576. In 576 write 76 alone. Right, 76 alone. 5 in the carryover. Now the 25 minus the 24 is 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 5 here is 6. So 26 square is 676. So that you all know. What is 25 square? 625. So this till up to 50 we have done. Same thing above 50. 50 to 75 we will try. Same procedure. But here you have to add the difference. This one you have subtracted the difference number with the 25 and root. Here you have to add the difference and write. That's it for above 50. If the number is above 50 means what you are going to do? In that half of that 50 is 25. With that 25, the difference number you are going to add and write. Okay, the difference, first step is the difference number square, do it in the last two digits, fill up in the last two digits. What is the difference here? First sum 52, between 50 and 52 2 is the difference. Okay, that 2 difference, square it, so you will get 4. Write the 2 digit of 4, 0 4. Okay, 0 4. Next step, what you are going to do, add that 2 with the 25. 25 plus 2, that will give you 27. So 2704, that will give you the answer for 52 square. Same way 56 square. What is 56 square? Now how much is difference from 56? Okay, 6 square it and write in the two digits, 36. So 25 plus 6 and write it over here, 31. 3136 is the answer for 56. 58 square. How much is difference? 8 is difference. So 8 you square it and write it here, 64. And addition of 25 and this difference 8, that will give you 33. 3364. Same way 61 square. How much is difference from 50? 11. So 11 square, that is 121. 21, right? 1 in the carryover. Okay, so 25 plus 11, that will give you 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. 3721. Now 63 square. How much is difference? 13. So 13 square is 169. 69 right here, 1 carryover. 25 and 3 added, 38. 38 plus 1 is 39. 3969. Same way, the 66 square you do it. How much is difference? 16. Okay, 16 square is what? 256. 56 is right here, 2 in the carryover. 25 plus 16 is 41. 41 plus 2, that is 43. 4356. Now 69 square. How much is difference? From 50 it is 19 times. So add 19 square just now here, 361. 61, write it here in the two digits, 3 in the carryover. 25 plus 19, that is 44. 44 plus 3, that will give you 47. 71 square. How much is difference from 50? That is 21 times. Now 21 if you square, you will get 441. 41 right here, 4 in the carryover. Now 25 plus 21, 46. 46 plus 4, that will give you 50. 5041. Same way 74 square. What is 74 square? How much is difference from 50? 24 times. So 24 square you do it, just 576. 576, write the two digits, 76 and 5 in the carryover number. Now 25 plus 24, what it is? 49. 49 plus 5. 49 plus 5, that is 54. That will give you the answer. Like this you can do it for up to 75, you can do it easily. So just before number and after, that is below 50 you categorize the numbers. Below 50 number, after 50 number. Below 50 means the half of that 25 and subtract the difference. For difference you have to square it first and then the difference and write. For above 50, the difference you have half of that 25, you have to take add and write the difference. For this also, square your difference, you square and write it in the two digits column, and the addition of the 25 and the difference you write it in the next two digits column. Is it clear? Now we will do above 50, that is 50 to 100. So we have segregated 50 to 75 one part, and then 75 to 100. So now we are going to do for 75 to 100 and 100 to 125. Okay. Now for this type of sums, 99 square, less than 100. So far you have done with less than 50 number, greater than 50 number. That is 25 to 50 you have done, and then 50 to 75 you have done. Now what if it comes above 75? So from 75 to 125. From 75 to 125 you categorize from 100. You have to subtract from 100. So below 75 you have done the differences with help of 50. It's half number. Is it not? 25 subtract from the difference and 25 added from the difference. But here what you are going to do is the difference you are going to find it with the help of 100, not 50. Okay, so 50 is only for till 75. From 75 and above, you are going to find the differences using 100. Now how much? See the first question, 99 square. How much difference is from 100? That is 1. How much difference? That is 1. That square number you write it as its same procedure. The difference you square and write it here, 2-digit form. And then from the given number you subtract. What is the given number here? 99. 99, subtract the difference number. What it is? 98. So 9801, that gives the answer for 99 square. Just try it for the remaining. What is 97 square? How much difference from 100? It is 3. 3 square is 9. So subtract 99. The given number is 97. So 97 minus 3. That is 94. 9409. So you are going to subtract the difference number from the given number. That's what I stated here. So you are going to find the difference from 100 first of all, and the difference subtracted from the given number and write. See here, next number 94 square. The difference is 6. 6 square and write it here, 36. That 6 you subtract from 94, the given number 94, not from 100 or anything or 75 or anything. So 94 is a given number. Subtract that difference number 6. What is 94 minus 6? 88. Okay. Again 91 square. What is 91 square? How much is difference from 100? That is 9. So 9 square it is 81. So difference is 9. Subtract from this 91. Okay, what is 91 minus 9? That is 82. Same way 89 square. How much is difference? 11. So the difference is 11. Square it, you will get 121. 21 right and 1 in the carryover number. Here given number is 89. Subtract that difference number, 89 minus 11. That will give you 78. 78, this add that carryover number, 78 plus 1, 79. So 7921 is your answer. Similarly 87 square. How much difference? From 100 it is 13 is the difference. So 87 minus 3, you have to write it in the first 2 digits. This 13 square you write it here, 169. 69 write it at 2 digits, 1 in the carryover. Now what is 87 minus 13? 74. 74 plus 1, that will give you 75. 7569. Is it clear? Now see the next 86 square. How much is difference? 14. How much is difference? 14. Okay, from 86 subtract that 14 and write the first 2 digits. Now 14 square, what you will get? 196. 96 right here, 1 carryover. Now 86 minus 14 is what? 72. 72 plus 1, that is 73. 7396 is your answer. Same way 82 square. What is 82 square? How much is difference? From 100 it is 18 times difference. So 82 minus 8 you write it. Okay. Now 18 square, here you have 18 square is 324. 24 in the last 2 digits, 3 carryover. What is 82 minus 18? 82 minus 18? 64. 64 plus 3, that is 67. Okay, what is 79 square? How much is difference from 100? 21 times. Okay, 21 subtract here 79. Write the first 2 digits. Now 21 square, what is the square of 21? 441. Write 41 here and 4 in the carryover. Now what is 79 minus 21? 58. 58 plus 4, that is 62. 6241. Okay, what is 77 square? How much is difference from 100? So 100 minus 23. Right? That will give you 77. Now from 77 subtract and write the first number. What is 23 square here? 529. 29 right and 5 in the carryover. 77 minus 23 is what? 54. 54 plus 5, that is 59. 5929 is your answer. Similarly you can do it for 100 to 125 digits, square of the numbers. Will you try it? The same procedure, but the difference, instead of subtracting, you're going to add it from the given number. Shall we try it now? Right, 101 square, how much is difference? The difference is 1. Okay, so write difference is square of the difference. So minus 1 you have to do from the given number. What is the given number here? 101. What is the given number? 101. Square is 101, subtract that given number 1, that will give you 100. So 1001, that will give you the answer for. So for above 100, what you did is 100, you have to add the difference. Okay, the difference 1 you have to add with this 101. 101 plus 1, that is 102. So 10201, that will give you the answer. Same way, try it for 103. How much is difference? Difference is 3. That means a square that difference, that is 09. So 103 plus 3, that gives you 106. 10609. Same way, try it for 106 square. The difference is 6. So squaring the difference, that gives you 36. And this 106 plus 6, that will give you 112. That is 11236. Same way, 108 square. So difference between 108 and 100, that is 8. 8 square is 64. So here 108 plus 8, the difference number you should add it. 108 plus 8 is 116. Same way, 11 square, how much is difference from 100? That is 11. Okay, this 111, add that 11. 11 square, first 11 square you write it, 121. 21 write it and 1 in the carryover. And 111 plus 11, what it is? 122. 122 plus 1, that is 123. What is 113 square? How much is difference? 13 is difference. 13 if you square, you will get 169. 69 right, 1 in the carryover. And then this 113, add this 13. That will give you 126. 126 plus 1, that will give you 127. So 12769 is 113 square. Like that you can find it for all. Try it for 114. How much is different? 14 is a difference. So square that 14, 196. 96 and 1 carryover. 114 added to this 14, that is 128. 128 plus 1, that is 129. Okay, 117 square. How much is difference? 17 is difference. So 117 plus 17, write and write in the first digits. So 17 square, what it is? 289. 89 right, 2 in the carryover. Now 117 plus 17 is what? 134. 134 plus 2, that is 136. Okay, same way, 119 square. What is 119 square? How much is difference from 100? It is 19 times. Okay, 19 times. What you will square that 19? 361. 61 write it and 3 in the carryover number. Okay, now 119 plus 19, the given number is 119. 119 plus 19, what you will get? 138. 138 plus 3, 141. 14161. Got it? 119 square is 14163. Same way, you try it for the last 123 square. What is 123 square? How much times is difference? 23 times. Okay, 23 times. So 23 square, it will give 529. 29 right and 5 in the carryover. Okay, 123 plus 23, 146. 146 plus 5, 151. That will give you 15129. So in this procedure, you can do it for from 75 square to 125 square. For that, you should subtract from the, find the difference from the 100, not 50. Till 75 only you have to use the 50, digits 50. Above that 75 you have to use the digit 100 for finding out the differences. Okay.